This is one recipe that you need to try for your kids this summer holidays. It is one of the delicious things that I've ever created on this page. Hello, creative bangers. Let's do this together. All right. In an empty saucepan, moving with 2 cups of milk, I added 2 eggs, cornstarch, salt. I'm going to add vanilla flavor. Please, no flour. Okay, go ahead and mix to combine very well. You are going to transfer the saucepan direct to your heat and start cooking. Stir continuously. All right, thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, as you continue to stir, it will start to thicken. Once it thickens to your desired consistency or thickness, go ahead and take it off the heat. Transfer in another bowl. You can cover with a plastic bag before transferring to your refrigerator to cool down completely. The more it cools down, the thicker it becomes. Please, not in the freezer, in your refrigerator rather. Okay, all right, now let's make the recipe of the day. In another pan, I'm going to move in with water, sugar, salt, and then I'm going to add margarine or butter depending on the one that you have. Transfer that to your heat and allow the butter or margarine to melt completely. Once it melts, please turn off the heat and sift in the flour. You are not cooking the flour, please, okay? The flour contains half teaspoon of baking powder. Now, once you add the flour, remember I said you are going to turn off the heat. Please, you are not cooking the flour. Continue to mix till you form a very smooth dough, just like what you are looking at, okay? Once you form a smooth dough, transfer to another bowl. Spread it around and allow to cool down for about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Now, I'm going to add vanilla essence, then I added 2 eggs. Now you can manually mix this, okay, just like you see me doing, but it is going to take time, like about 5 minutes, okay? But I'm going to use my electric mixer to mix. All right, go ahead and mix if you have electric mixer. Once that is done, you should have a batter just like what you are looking at, okay? Now, you are going to be needing piping bag, okay? Is there an alternative for piping bag? I'm sorry, there is no alternative for piping bag, but you can pipe it without a nozzle, okay? Now, I'm using a nozzle just to give it a design. You will see that at the end of the frying. Now, place the piping bag in a cup, moving with the batter, okay? Don't add too much. Add as much as you can be able to pipe at once, okay? Once that is done, you are going to cut off the tail of the piping bag and we are ready to pipe. If you are with me at this moment, type piping time at the comment section. Okay, now you'll be needing a parchment paper, either white or brown. If you are using the brown, don't use the rough part, use the shining part, okay? Personally, I prefer the white parchment paper because it is very easy to work with. It doesn't have front or back, okay? Now go ahead and cut it in smaller sizes as demonstrated. Once that is done, go ahead and start piping as demonstrated. Shout out to you, Lilian Molly, watching from Uganda, Damilola from Nigeria, Helene from Port Harcourt, Rams watching from Ghana, and Sunshine Selena all the way from USA. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, after piping, go ahead and throw the boys into a deep, hot, moderate oil. Once you throw them, you will see that the parchment paper will easily go off, as you can see. Now, here comes the brown parchment paper. It was a bit difficult to take away, okay? Not that it is wrong to work with, but it doesn't work so freely just like the white one. You see the reason why I prefer the white one. All right. Now go ahead and flip the other side to cook as well. Please don't use too much heat so that it will cook properly, okay? Flip it around from time to time. Fry according to your preference. Once it is golden brown like so, take it off the heat. Look at that. We just made something that I called curious buns. Now take it off the heat, put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And we just delivered again without being pregnant. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Are we done yet? No. Remember, we have some feelings to add to this. You can enjoy just the way it is, but remember we made something earlier. All right, use a skewer or anything at all and poke the curious buns. Go ahead and fill it in with chocolate jam or the custard cream which we prepared earlier. If you are not using everything at once, just take the quantity that you want, mix it again to be very creamy, put in a piping bag. I am using the same piping bag that I used for the chocolate just to give me another design. Go ahead and pipe in the filling. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Mamma mia! Trust me, it was delish. Give it a try and get back to me as usual. If you have kids like me, please try this recipe for them come these summer holidays. They are going to enjoy it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.